Hi there and welcome to imactips.com. This tutorial is for beginners to make better use of Spotlight searches, how to refine them and reduce the amount of search results you get so that they're more accurate. Okay, so let's dive right in and do a quick Spotlight search. Now in this example I'm going to search for some images that I've been working on. Now that could be a document, it could be a PDF, it could be anything, but I'm going to look for an image titled iMac Tips. So it's an image that we're using for our website. So up on the top right hand corner here is the magnifying glass, and this is how you would normally access Spotlight. You can also quickly access Spotlight by using a keystroke. So just here, clicking on the magnifying glass, there's the Spotlight search bar. But if we also we can use Command Space. So the keystroke Command Space, and that will also bring up the Spotlight search. So once we've got the Spotlight search bar up, we can type in the search term just as you would in an internet browser. So in this example, I'm looking for iMac Tips, and you'll notice that it's returned a whole lot of search results, including here websites that I visited, movies, folders that contain various files, and so on and so forth. Now, if you've got a lot of files that you're searching through that have similar names or similar text, it's easier to refine your search, and the way to do that is using this following code, which is kind: and then, for example, in this case, image. So no spaces, just kind and image, and then we have a space and the search term. So kind: image, and then space, and then the search term that you're looking for. In this case, it's iMac Tips. Now you'll notice that we've got a number of results here, which are images, various different images that we've created. But I'm looking for a specific type of image. So instead of using just the broad term image, I'm going to type in PNG, which is the actual format or file extension that I'm looking for. So here we can see a number of images which are PNG files. And I can also refine that further, and let's say a JPEG image. So it will only show JPEG images with the title of iMac Tips. Okay. Now, for example, we may be looking for a document. So I've written a document about iMac Tips for a tutorial. So instead of typing kind JPEG or image, I can type kind document, then the search term iMac Tips, obviously with the space as I mentioned before. So now it's returned the files that I've got, which are documents that I've created. Okay. Now, in terms of these file types here, if you go to the website imactips.com and click on tutorials, you'll find there a link to a PDF giving you all of the file types that you can type in. So it's worth a quick read. If you do look for files often on your iMac, this is a great little tip. In the follow-up to this video, we're also going to show you a great piece of software called Whotospot, which is for much more advanced searches. If you have a lot of files, a lot of documents, a lot of photographs, etc., this particular piece of software we use often, which really speeds up searching and helps you to refine your searches. Okay, just as an addition to the main tutorial on searching with Spotlight, whilst strictly it's not Spotlight, but the same method that we've just used to refine searching can also be used in the Finder application. So we'll just open up a new Finder window. Now, Finder itself needs its own tutorial, which we will publish fairly shortly, because there are so many aspects to it that can really make your life a lot easier. However, this is just to show the previous method of refining a search. So currently we have a Finder window. We're now going to search for iMac tips as we did before, and you'll notice a whole bunch of different files that come up, including folders. Now, some of these are Pages documents, there are PDFs here, images, and quite a lot of other different types of files, including web files and so on. Now, if we were searching just specifically, we wanted to find a document, then we could use the same method before, which was in the search panel up here. We would type in the word kind with the colon, and then the search type, which is the document we want, is a document with iMac tips in the description. And there we go, we've got all the documents that we have, so Pages, documents, and so on. And again, just by changing that search parameter for the file type, if we type in PNG, which is an image file, there's our PNG images. If we typed in PDF, we can just simply make it only show us PDF files, and so on. So that's just an adjunct to the tutorial on Spotlight Search. Again, we will be doing a full tutorial on Finder, because it has so many powerful features to it that a lot of people don't know until they become quite experienced with Macs. So we'll leave you with that and come back to you very shortly with number 2 in this particular tutorial file. Thanks. If you found the video useful, please give us a like at the end of this video and leave any comments for us. Also visit us at imactips.com. Thanks for watching.